What's up? What's up? Mom sent me over here. She said you got cut from the team. So, yo, take your headphones off. Mom sent me over here. She said you got cut from the team. She said you was in here moping and everything else and that I should come over here and talk to you. But you remember when I got cut from the team, right? And you actually thought it was funny because you was putting up all those points at the Boys and Girls Club in the Little League. And I told you things is a little different when you get older. But I do want to say this. I want to be here for you like you was for me. I remember when I got cut and I was hurt. But when I worked out that whole summer, it was you grabbing all the rebounds and passing it to me. So that meant the world to me. To see my little brother learning from me as I got cut and those life lessons that I had to go through. So I want to help you go through it too. So this summer, I'm going to be getting all your rebounds, but let's talk about now. In basketball, this thing we call basketball, this is a sport that teaches us stuff. This is a sport. Hold on, pay attention to what I'm saying. Don't disrespect me like that. Come on, man. I came from across town to come here to talk to you. Don't disrespect me like that. This is something that teaches us things. It teaches us teamwork. It teaches us values. It teaches us leadership. It teaches us a lot, but it's not the whole life. It is not the whole life. It's basketball. It teaches us stuff, but it is not our whole life. So the fact that you got cut is, man, give me the ball back. The fact that you got cut is just one aspect of life. As you grow older, it's going to be a lot of things that you're going to run into. It might be a job that you don't get. What are you going to do? You're going to mope and pout because you didn't get the job because somebody beat you in front of you or somebody beat you to it per se? We can't look at it like that, bro. The same way you supported me is the same way I'm going to support you. The same way you love me is the same way I'm going to love you. Well, I'm going to love you a little harder. I'm setting the foundation. I got cut first. You know, you thought it was funny, but I ain't meaning to come over here and laugh at you right now because it ain't funny. But on a serious note, it's things that we all go through to make sure that we have this thicker skin for what's going to happen later on in our life. So I do want to say this. Mom gave me a couple dollars to take you to get something to eat. I don't know what $5 is going to get in this. I don't know what Mom was even thinking. But here go $3 for you. Yeah, right. I'm going to go ahead and hold on to this. We're going to go get something, probably some ice cream or something from McDonald's or something. But yeah. We all go through, no, pay attention. You know I'm serious about this. I came from over town. Oh, over town ain't no real thing. Yo, take your headphones off, man. Oh. This guy.
That's so funny.